Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. We're now on the first part of the writing of the newspaper story. Now, as you can see, what I've done is I've taken a little bit of the planning. I've just taken a photo rather, and stuck it on the slide so that we can remember what we did in the planning. Now, I'm not going to talk about the headline, and I'm not going to talk about the taster sentence because they're straightforward. In the planning, when we talked about what happened, the first thing that we wrote down as a note was the volcano erupted. Okay, so now what we've got to do, we've got to turn that into a nice sentence. So I can't put volcano erupted because that doesn't make sense, but I can say the volcano erupted. Okay. Now, if I just put a full stop there, if I just leave it like that, then that might be okay for a year one or year two child to do, but clearly we're year four, so I think we ought to do a little bit more than that. Okay, so one thing we could do is say where it was. So if we just put a comma here, we could say where it was. So the volcano, comma, in Mount. Now, if you want to put MT for Mount is short for mountain, that's okay. Mount Saint, ST is short for Saint, and then Helens, and then put a comma. So the volcano, comma, in Mount St Helens erupted. Now this is now an embedded clause, which is much better. Okay, I think we can say more than just erupted, because erupted, okay, is a good word, but we can say what it might have felt like. So erupted with a force. No, actually, with an incredible force, with an incredible force. Now, think about it. So it's gone bang, a massive eruption, a massive, incredible force. This is going to be felt a long way away. So erupted with an incredible force, which was felt many many kilometers away. So how's that? Okay, that's a lot better. Much more suitable to a year four sentence. So the volcano in Mount St Helens erupted with an incredible force, which was felt many kilometers away. Now, I've just thought of an even better word, so I'm going to get rid of incredible and delete that and put with an unstoppable, which means it could not be stopped, with an unstoppable force, which was felt many kilometers away. Okay, and another change, because the thing is, this is what you can do when you're writing a sentence. You're always changing it, you're always coming up with better ideas. So the volcano in Mount St Helens erupted with an unstoppable force, which was felt by many people many kilometers away. Now, I bet you're now saying, oh, Mr. Smales, I don't like that. You've got many people and many kilometers. So you could say lots of people, lots of kilometers. Let's see if we can think of a better word than or not a better word, an alternate word other than many. I think what we can do, we can just use, instead of many, we can say several kilometers away. And I think that's going to be my sentence. So that's shown you that from two words up there, we've now translated it into a nice, big, juicy, lovely sentence, which is very worthy of a year four child. So if you came up with a sentence like that, I will be very proud of you. So in the rest of your planning, that's what I want you to do. Look at the planning that you did the other day and now turn it into writing. Thank you. Good luck.